Good morning, all. I welcome all of you to the first annual meet of IST GECK Students Chapter KE70. It is a team effort that made it possible for us to conduct so many programs, and with the same team effort, we are able to hold this annual meet for the first time in the history of GEC Kozhikode. First of all, I would like to invite Dr. Ahmed Munir, Associate Professor of Electronics Department, GECK, and IST GECK Faculty Advisor for the welcome speech. Sir, please.
Okay, respected Chief Guest, Dr. Vijay Kumar Sir, Chairman IST Kerala Section, Dr. E.R. Usha Kumari, Principal GEC Kozhikode, Dr. Anil B. and Professor Ashokan Ovi, IST Managing Committee Members, Kerala Section, Dr. Nidhi MB, IST National Executive Member, and Head of the Departments, my dear faculty and all students, a very good morning for all of you. It is my pleasure to present before you, especially in this thrilling occasion, that is first annual meet of IST GEC Kozhikode Students Chapter, and of course the first online meet of this kind. As far as the date of this meet is concerned, it can be remembered like this. This September month is a special of two events. One is in general September 5th, that is Teachers' Day, and second one is 15th, that is Engineers' Day. If you add these two numbers, you will get 20. That means the teaching learning aspects and the true spirit or service of the engineers will automatically fulfill the outcome of the IST, that is Indian Society for Technical Education. So we expect this magical start for all success in future. We have got a strong, vibrant and enthusiastic student, executive and committee members for our IST chapter. Earlier years, we started with few programs, and this year we have got more than 50 programs, and the membership strength reached 437. The activities include English training for first years, motivational talk, table talk, quizzes, seminar and workshops, career guidance, and other online mega events and competitions. The table talk was headed by students only, comprising of exhibition of some new devices, LCD presentation, doubt clearance among common people regarding the technical aspects, latest technical aspects and applications. The future plan comprises of releasing monthly newsletter, introduction of few clubs under IST in order to excel the students' technical, managerial, creative, and soft skills. So let me, to perform my duty as to welcome you all. First of all, I welcome Dr. Vijay Kumar K, the IST chairman, chairman of Kerala section, to this function. Welcome you, sir. Next, I invite, welcome Dr. Usha Kumari, the principal of GEC Kozhikode, to this function. Welcome you, ma'am. And I also welcome Dr. B. Anil, Professor Ashokan Ovi, the managing committee members of Kerala IST section. Next, I welcome Dr. Nidhi MB, the National Executive Council member of IST, and there is a session, a webinar session on preparing for post-COVID career. So I welcome Nidhi ma'am to this function. I welcome Dr. Tara Ravindran, HOD Applied Electronics, Dr. Srila, HOD Civil, Dr. Sajid P, HOD Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Beulah, HOD Chemical Engineering, and all faculty to this online meet. I also welcome all the students in and out of the GEC Kozhikode who are inevitable part for making this program a grand success. Hope and pray for a speedy recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. And once again, I welcome you all to the IST annual meet ceremony. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Next, I invite Dr. Vijay Kumar K, retired Director of Technical Education and Chairman of IST Kerala section, for the inaugural speech. Please, sir.
Good morning. Dr. Shahumari, Principal, Dr. Munir, Faculty Advisor, Dr. B. Anil, and Dr. Professor Ashokan, SMC members, Dr. Didi, National Council member, and dear IST Student Chapter office bearers, and my dear students and faculty members. At the outset, I am very happy that GC Kozhikode has organized such a program for the chapter annual meet. As you know, this COVID-19 pandemic has given us a lot of challenges how to conduct the classroom teaching, how to conduct various programs for the benefit of the students, the extra and co-curricular activities which are being affected, because the activities include transforming the budding engineers to a fully committed social engineer. So unfortunately, we have a limitation where we are not able to interact with each members, carry out such activities, so that the group effect is lost. But this COVID-19 has also given us a lot of opportunities how to interact through net or webinar programs. So Munir has taken the initiative to organize a webinar, especially with the topic that the career after a post-COVID scenario, how to prepare for the career. So as you know, IST, one of the largest professional body of engineering college teachers and the students, engineering college as well as polytechnic teachers and the students, is in the forefront to see that our students are getting quality education or offered quality education by the authorities. So through its student chapters, IST organizes programs, workshops, quizzes, so that the student engineers are equipped with their latest know-how, how to apply the knowledge they have acquired during their studies. So they're also skilling is also a part of this program, where which they have an opportunity to showcase their talents. The IST chapters are motivating the faculty members, student chapter members to carry out such activities through various awards: best student chapter, best IST member, best faculty advisor, etc. So I'm happy that the Munir has and his team is so dynamic, and they are taking a lot of initiatives to organize such programs. As already he has listed about 50 programs being organized, even this pandemic scenario. So I'm happy that this Munir, with the support of the principal and the staff, as well as the students, maybe the college union also is involved in carrying out such activities. So I'm happy to inaugurate, with the permission of all, the annual meet by GCK student chapter, and wish all the best in their studies as well as the further programs. Also, I know that Dr. Nidhi is presenting a paper on preparing for post-COVID scenario. So this will be a initiative to help you how to prepare for such situations. As you know, we cannot predict the situation, but we have to face the challenges. So I think Dr. Nidhi will be giving some tips how to face the challenges and come out successfully as an engineer. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. There's a special announcement for all the students who are taking part in this annual meet. A quiz competition based on this annual meet will be held with exciting prizes for the winners after the webinar session. And one more thing is that a poster making competition was held on August 15th, 2020 on the theme Independence Day, solely for the GECK students. The winners are: first prize goes to Nadeem, S5CE. Second prize, Ashwin Krishna, S3 AEI. Third prize goes to Mufida, S5 CE. And I'm really proud to announce the formation of our first ever club under IST, Zeal Erudite Literary Club. The club was formed to inspire all the aspiring writers and to revamp the communication skills for the future betterment of the students. And I'm very happy to say that 132 students have registered for the club within just 2 days. Various programs will be conducted under Zeal Erudite Literary Club. Now, I would like to invite Dr. B. Anil, Academic Director of Vidya Charitable Trust, Trishur, and Managing Committee Member of IST Kerala Section for the qualification speech and for the official inauguration of our Zeal Erudite Literary Club. Please, sir.
Respected Chairman of IST Kerala Section, Dr. K. Vijay Kumar, Principal of GEC Kozhikode, Dr. Usha Kumari ER, Professor Ashokan, Dr. Nithi, Dr. Ahmad Munir, student leaders Niranjana, Kavya, Ajit Binna, Arya Vijay, Indusha, teachers of GEC, and dear student friends. Good morning to all of you. We are living in a dynamic world which poses many challenges. The first 2 decades of the present millennium witnessed the use of many disruptive technologies which influenced and transformed all facets of our life. The technology is changing at a very rapid pace. By the time one graduates after 4 years of study, most of what has been learned become obsolete. This is true in computer science and electronics, and also in other disciplines, a lot of new developments are happening. So a graduate feels as a fish out of water when posted in industry. It is said that change is the only thing which is constant. But now the rate at which change is happening is very rapid. It's happening at an unimaginable speed. Earlier, after graduation, you are selected to an organization based on the grades in the examination and test and interview to check the aptitude for the work. But in the days to come, you will be hired not based on the marks you scored, but on the competencies that you possess. The competencies required for a 21st century engineer is not the same as those in 20th century. When the environment changes, technology changes, attitudes change, and the business scenario changes, the competencies required also change. So what are the 21st century competencies expected from a graduate? The topmost in the list is not the grades or technical knowledge, but it is learnability. That is the ability to learn new things. As changes happen, one must be able to acquire new skills to tackle that challenge. Next in the list is versatility. That is the ability to work in different roles and situations. Creativity is another competency which helps in innovating solutions. Flexibility, which is the ability to accommodate changes, is the next competency. All major tasks are carried out by teams. Hence, the ability to work as a part of the team becomes another important competence. One has to not only work in the team, but often shoulder tasks which have to be done alone. Thus, the ability to work alone also becomes an important characteristic. Another important competency that is projected as important is the leadership skills. It is the ability to shoulder responsibilities, plan, coordinate, assign work to others, and to supervise and ensure that time schedules are met. Yet another important competency is communication skills. That is mainly to convey what is in your mind to others without any ambiguity through verbal, graphics, or maybe sign language. These soft skills are in addition to the subject knowledge you acquire in the classroom. The assignments, projects, the seminar, problem solving, and quizzes, all of them help you in developing analytical skills. But where do you acquire these soft skills from? Nowadays, many entrepreneurs have come out with the so-called finishing schools to polish the students to make them employable. But does it really help? It is a point to be debated. In my opinion, the soft skills cannot be acquired by a fast-track program. It has to be acquired in a gradual manner through a natural process. That is where the professional societies such as ISDE, Institution of Engineers, IEEE, CSI can help you. By planning and involving in such activities, soft skills can be acquired by the student. The student chapter shall plan the activities in such a manner that various mental faculties of the members are developed. The ability to speak, to plan, to take a responsibility, work in a team, execute work in a time-bound manner, face crisis and find solutions. And the possibilities are many. I know the curriculum is tough, syllabus is vast, and you learn all the theory and technical skills from the classroom. But majority of the 20% century skills and competencies you acquire from outside the classroom. The support of higher authority, a committed faculty advisor, and dynamic student leaders, there is nothing you cannot achieve. I wish all success to the ISDE chapter of GEC Kozhikode. I have been assigned with one more task of inaugurating the literary club. It is heartening to note that in addition to differential equations, calculus, Laplace transforms, and technical subjects, an opportunity is given to the students to express their creative and literary skills. This, in fact, will supplement the quest for soft skills. Let Zeal Erudite become a platform from where we hear the fix of imagination. I like the name Zeal Erudite, whoever has coined it. It's a combination of quest and scholar combined. I have great pleasure in inaugurating Zeal Erudite, the literary club of ISDE student chapter at GEC Kozhikode. I also thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to be part of this program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. There's a request to all others to please mute their audio because there is interruption, and to get good quality of the voice, we don't have to interrupt the speaker as well as the listener. There is small problems with that. So please, all the others, please do mute their audio. Now, moving forward to the result declaration of certain competitions, IST GECK conducted generally under the generally as well as under the departmental forums. So on Engineers Day, dated 15 September 2020, all the departmental forums under IST conducted various events. Chemical Forum conducted a chemical reaction expo. Mechanical Forum conducted a brain teaser competition called Use Your Noggin. So the results are: first prize goes to Navya AS, S5 Civil, GEC Barton Hill. Second prize goes to Amal Amin KK, S7 ME, GECK. And third prize goes to Amal Prabhakaran, S7 ME, GECK. Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Forum conducted an essay writing competition in both languages, English and Malayalam. The topic was, what is an engineer's contribution to the society? The best essays were Malayalam, Mary Cincy John, S3 ECE, GECK, Harsha Mariam Shibu, S5 CE, GEC Barton Hill. And the best English essays were Denisa Shibu, S3 AEI GECK, and Vishnu Muralidharan, S3 EC GECK. Electronics and Communication Forum conducted Identify the Circuit competition. The winners are first prize Harshad S5 EC GECK, second prize Lakshmi PB S5 AE GECK, and third prize Anthony Prasad S7 EC GECK. Civil Forum conducted a quiz competition. First prize goes to Surya KK S7 CE. Second prize goes to Lakshmi PB S5 AE and Regin S MEC and Binsina S7 CE. Third prize goes to Navya AS S5 Civil GEC Barton Hill. A written ability test was conducted on 30th August 2020. First prize goes to Anju Nandakumar S3 EC GECK. Second prize goes to Vishnu Muralidharan S3 EC GECK. And third prize goes to Fatima Riswana S3 EC and Fatima Hiba S3 AEI. Congratulations to all the winners. Next, I invite Professor Ashokan Ovi, Associate Professor of EEE in Government Engineering College, Kannur, and Managing Committee Member of IST Kerala Section for the felicitation speech.
Thank you. Good morning, one and all present here. Respected Dr. Vijay Kumar Sir, Chairman IST Kerala Section, former Director of Technical Education Kerala State. Respected Dr. Usha Kumari, Teacher, Principal, Government Engineering College, Kozhikode. Respected Dr. B. Anil Sir, State Management Executive Committee Member. And dear Dr. Nidhi Madam, National Executive Council Member IST. Then dear Dr. Ahmad Munir, Faculty Advisor, IST GC Kozhikode Chapter. Then we have dear faculty members, dear other staff members, dear Mr. Niranjan, dear Ms. Arya, Ms. Kavya, Ms. Ajit, dear IST student members of this institute. I'm really happy to be here to see that IST has one more vibrant, active institutional member with a very dynamic student chapter, that is Government Engineering College, Kozhikode. It's also great pleasure for me to be here to address you again, because you all know that I visited this institute just to give you an awareness on the current status of IST in the state and national level, and also to give you a briefing on and the various activities of IST and how to promote our students to compete with this fast developing technology. Today, you have organized a very impressive program, that is your annual meet 2020 in presence of our State Management Committee member. That's being inaugurated by our respected chairman. And part of this, you have a very important webinar session that is for preparing for post-COVID career. That's a very apt topic to discuss now. That will be presented by Dr. Nidhi Madam. And part of this, another important program that is being inaugurated by our respected Dr. B. Anil Sir, that is your literary club. Okay, so it's a special appreciation to this particular program. As far as your institute is concerned, I know that your institute has a student chapter already running. And only thing is now you want to strengthen the existing chapter. So I know that your chapter is already a vibrant chapter. You want to make it mobilize again and again. So definitely that's possible. I feel that this institute will develop as one of the lead institute of IST in Kerala state. The thing is that it's possible only if your faculty advisor and your student core committee has to build a team with team spirit with a specific objective of creating top quality professional engineers, and also focusing on creating a global visibility to your institute or national visibility to your institute. As far as engineering students are concerned, our students and engineering technology has to be made socially benefited, industrially benefited, environmentally benefited. So actually IST is focusing on such talents in our students and the teachers. We can have activities that will be focusing on these type of achievements. Okay, as far as your institute is concerned and your IST chapter is concerned, that is Dr. Ahmad Bunir. He is my close friend, and he's a very apt and dynamic personality to lead this IST chapter. We had many discussion on strengthening this chapter, on how to make your students professionally excellent by creating many IST activities that we already conducted, or student development programs. As far as a club or any organization, if you want to conduct or organize in your institute, you need to get support from all authorities of our institute. So continuing this, see, I told you, see, your institute, you have a very dynamic student chapter. See, you have to strengthen your faculty chapter also with the support of your head office and national and state. We got all support from our Kerala chapter. We got all support from our state president also. See, part of this program, we have already announced that you are having a literary club that is being inaugurated by our guest, Dr. Anil Sir. See, it's a very good initiative. As far as this program is concerned, I think you are focusing on conducting many programs that you already conducted an extension of that. See, for example, conducting student symposium and seminars. Then we can conduct quiz programs for students monthly or weekly by forming a quiz club. Then you can have expert talk from industries, expert talk from research and development organization, expert talk from your institute itself. You have experts, expert teachers, expert students, expert MTech students, like that. You can have expert from your institute also. So you can have a training program for writing competitive examinations, attending job interviews. You can start a club like this placement and higher study promotion club, so that you can tune the students for those who are interested in GATE exam, GRE, TOEFL, CAT. Then we have IES, and you can tune the students, those who are interested in higher study in abroad, in foreign universities. Okay, so you can tune the students for getting admission in MTech and MS, so that we have many activities, so that is very closely benefited to the students. Okay, then we can have programs on debates, brainstorming process, then webinars, many online programs, especially this COVID period. Then you can have programs for training programs for public speaking. Even you can have cultural programs. That also is a part of this that is personality development. So that you can have many programs. I think this literary club is mainly focusing on developing these type of activities. Okay, anyway, we know that this IST is actually focusing on bridging technology in the interdisciplinary platform. That is bridging civil engineering, mechanical engineering, computer engineering, so that there is no an isolation between that. We can freely go to these all disciplinary areas. As far as we know that this current scenario, this technology is fast developing, so that we have many developments in the interdisciplinary areas. We can promote that. We can tune the students subgroups, those who are especially interested, those who are like-minded to create, irrespective of the branch, for creating excellent results. Okay, so I'm not extending too much. See, with these words, I wish a bright and excellent working platform for this IST activities in your institute, and this particular program be a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We'll definitely take your advice into account. IST GCK team got a lot of support from the side of the union to conduct programs and also to grow IST in our college. Now, I would like to invite Niranjana PN, a union member and the Fine Arts Secretary of GEC Kozhikode, for the felicitation speech representing the union.
Respected Chairman of IST Kerala Section, Dr. Vijay Kumar K, National Executive Council Member of IST, Dr. Niti MP, IST Faculty Advisor, Dr. Ahmed Munir, our Principal, Dr. Usha Kumari Kumar, and other dignitaries present here today. A warm good morning to all and all. It is my privilege to be here as a representative of the College Union. In the age of digital learning, the guidelines for technology by educators in order to strengthen students' skills and knowledge is inevitable. Hence, the importance of organizations like IST in our college, nurturing talent and competency among students, is well known. But amidst this pandemic, the smooth and streamlined motion of guidelines was disrupted, and we're all stepping into the unknown in preparing for the post-COVID career, isn't it? But IST, as always, envisions a bright future regardless. And the faculty advisor and students deserve a special mention for their efforts to bring about programs like this. May these programs bring out the best in you and spur you on to greater achievements in life. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. IST was not a very active in GECK until 3 to 4 years before, but we are very lucky to have a very hardworking team who led IST GECK to where it is now. So I would really like to appreciate as well as thank the main executive members of IST in the year 2017, Maria Binoy, Sariga Sachit, Rithul Lal, the main executive members of IST in the year 2018, Anne Mary Rose, Barna May Samantha, and the main executive members of IST in the year 2019, Kavya V, Ajit Binni, and Karunya Arnad. Thank you so much for leading us and leading IST GECK to greater heights. Now, I would like to invite our ex-chairperson of 2019 ISTE, Kavya V, to share her experience.
Good morning to everyone gathered here. Respected guests, principal, Munir sir, teachers, and my dear friends, I'm Kavya, former executive IST member, and I would like to brief my journey in the IST society. First of all, I should mention the rapid growth of IST society of our college that happened during the last few months, which is solely due to the sincere efforts of Munir sir, faculty advisor of IST GECK, and all the core executive members. I was fortunate to be in IST and to serve in it for about 1.5 years, where I was exposed to many events which helped me to mold my personality and improve my leadership skills. IST was a platform which provides immense opportunities to everyone. Also, it helps to connect the faculties and students. Other than academics, the societies like these also help us to improve our soft skills, communication skills, and teamwork. Thank you so much, Munir sir, and all the vibrant organizers for the support and organizing this event even during this pandemic. I would like to congratulate and wish luck for all the upcoming events and to all the enthusiastic members of IST. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now I would like to call upon our ex-secretary of 2019 IST team, Ajit Binni, to share his experience.
Respected guests, Principal, Munir sir, other faculty members, and my dear friends. Good morning all. I have been told to share my experience in IST, but during our time, IST wasn't much active. We just had few meetings and few programs. We were just starting. But now I am very glad to know that our IST chapter is growing both in terms of members and programs. In fact, each forums like mechanical, chemical, and all other forums are competing among themselves to conduct more and more quality programs. And our faculty advisor Munir sir is very supportive. He can provide all the guidance for our future programs. And I wish all the very best for all the members to conduct more programs. And I hope we can win the Best Student Chapter Award this year. Thank you.
Thank you. So now I would like to call upon Arya Vijay, chairperson of IST GECK Students Chapter KE70, for the word of thanks.
Hello.
Yeah, you're audible. You're audible.
Hello. Okay. Thank you, Indusha. So, respected dignitaries, teachers, and all my dear friends, a very good afternoon to one and all present here. It gives me an immense pleasure to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make the annual meet of IST GECK happen. Let me start by thanking Almighty for making this event a great success. First and foremost, I'd like to convey my sincere thanks to Dr. Vijay Kumar sir for being kind enough to accept the invitation and inaugurating the annual meet of IST GECK and also for his inaugural address. On behalf of everyone present here, I extend my sincere gratitude to you, sir. I also add a sense of gratitude to our principal, Dr. Usha Kumari Madam, for blessing this event with a gracious presence and enlightening message. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. With immense pleasure, I extend a sincere thanks to Dr. B. Anil sir for your valuable presence and words and for the inaugural address of our literary club. From the bottom of my heart, I extend a word of gratitude to you, Anil sir. Now, I take this opportunity to thank Professor Ashokan sir for your eminent presence and prayers. We are really encouraged by your inspiring address. With immense pleasure, I extend a sincere gratitude for your support and cooperation, sir. Now,
Okay, thank you.
welcome, sir. Now it is the right time to extend a wholehearted thanks to Dr. Nidhi Madam for her wonderful session. The webinar was so informative that I believe that it will definitely help us in future, especially in this COVID situation. I extend a deep credit to you, Nidhi Madam, on this remarkable event. I also add a sense of gratitude to our Fine Arts Secretary of our college, Ms. Niranjana PN, for your valuable presence and prayers. My grateful thanks to you, Niranjana. Also, from the bottom of my heart, I thank our former executive committee members of IST GCK, Ms. Kavya V and Mr. Ajit Denny, for your eminent presence and wonderful words. My sincere thanks to both of you guys as well as other former executive members present here. And with deep reverence and gratitude, I thank our faculty advisor of IST GCK, Dr. Ahmad Munir sir, for guiding us and inspiring us. Today's program would not have been such a grand success without your supervision and monitoring. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I'd also like to thank all those students who have helped us on this occasion, especially the Vice Chairperson, Ms. Indusha Dharman, Secretary, Mr. Shahid, Joint Secretary, Mr. Hafiz, Media Committee Member, Mr. Nihal, Treasurer, Ms. Rijala PV, and Documentation Members, Ms. Lakshmi and Ms. Sana, and all who had contributed their tireless effort and contributions to make this event a grand success. I also congratulate all the winners of various events conducted by IST GC Kozhikode, and I appreciate the presence of all those who had presented here, especially students from other colleges as well as GEC Kozhikode, pass-out students of GEC Kozhikode, and all other teaching and non-teaching staffs of various other colleges as well as GEC Kozhikode for being a part of this annual meet of IST Government Engineering College Kozhikode. Once again, I express the aura of gratitude to each one of you for being with us and for being a part of the annual meet of IST Government Engineering College Kozhikode. And I wish all of you a great day and stay safe. So with this, I conclude. So thank you. Thanks a lot.